Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys Linux. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Bote na bandeko nyonso to boza kolanda ngai. Lelo na ko coach bino Linux. Omoni na tie wana Unix and Linux me na ko lobela mingi Linux. Guys, you see, I have Unix and Linux, but I'm gonna focus more on Linux, okay? So yeah. So we come here. The story of computers started a long time ago, but without Unix, we won't. The way I can put this, look, Unix is like the grandparents. Okay, this one. So people, look, people who create Unix, I have a lot of respect for them. To be honest with you guys, same thing with Bill Gates. I have a lot of respect for Bill Gates. I have a lot of respect for Steve Jobs, and also have a lot of respect for the guys who created the Linux. Okay, so they did an amazing job. But Dennis and Ken, the one who created this, oh no, amazing, amazing, amazing. And yeah, so we come here. That's why I end up putting this. Okay, so Unix or Linux system is made up of a lot of directory, okay, and the file, okay. So I put like this, but when we go in the detail, like later on, I'm gonna provide you guys more detail, okay? Because I don't wanna fit you guys a lot of things at once. No, I don't want that, and I don't wanna read like slice by slice. It's gonna take you forever, okay? So the Unix or Linux is a system that is different from working on a personal computer. It's different than Windows. Okay, it's different than Mac. Okay, so everything in Linux is a file. Everything. Okay, so here you see I put home directory. Home directory is where your personal file settings are stored. Okay, so yeah, so when we do the demo, you're gonna see I was talking something about uh Wishdamba. Okay, so if you watch that video, you're gonna understand this. Okay, come here. We have some command like who, date, w, who am I. For this command, I put the main reason I put like this because I want you guys to see when you type this command what they do. Okay, for example, who display who is on the system, and then date display the current date and time. Okay, w display who is on the system and what they are doing. For example, who am I display your name. Okay, so some of the command also have a different uh they do different things. For example, if you type cat, you can create small file on it. You can also see what is inside of the file. I mean the folder. Okay, so we come here. That's what I put like this for you guys to understand. Okay, sometimes when you see we type clear, it's like clear the screen. Okay, I'm not saying like clean, you know. If you think it's a, sometimes when we have in French we call them the faux, we say the faux amis. Sometimes when you see the words look like the similar, it's okay for me. I'm gonna understand when you say that, okay? Because English is not my first language. When somebody struggle, they don't get it. I understand it right away that this is what they wanna say. You know what I mean? So if you say like clean, it's okay. I know it's clear, but if you say clean, it's okay. I'm gonna, to me, I'm gonna figure out what you're trying to say. Okay. So we come here. To change your password, you can type like this to change your password. Okay. CD. You can change directory and move around in the system. Okay. So same thing. CD also this one. Okay. So I put like this for you guys to understand. Like for example, the same CD means to move up one level in the directory tree. Okay, come here. So for example, PWD means print working directory. Okay, so PWD, you find yourself or get a reminder of where you are. Okay, so I just put like this in case you don't get it, you know. So we come here, same CD, that's what I end up putting like this. Okay, come here, that's why I was talking about the card. Okay, you can create the text, you can also create the, you know, you can also see what is inside of the text. Okay, this cat command. Okay, now we have the directory here. So when you are, let's say for example, when we create a Kali Linux, you know, for example, when you're inside the Kali Linux or Ubuntu, you're gonna see home. Okay, you're gonna see home. So that's what I put like this. Every Unix user has a home directory in which you store your personal stuff, email, and many more. Okay, when you log in, Unix start you working in your home directory where you work until you move somewhere else. Your home directory is your sub directory in the, that's why I end up putting like this. Okay, so in your home directory you can create, edit, and delete all the file and sub directory. Okay, that's why I put like this. However, you cannot do that in somewhere else home directory unless the home unless the directory is owner give you permission. Okay, so we come here. So I just put like this for you guys to see. Like this. So when we create the folder, we're gonna name them Europe, Africa, Asia, America, Australia. Okay, we're gonna name them. Okay, I just put like this for you guys to understand. We come here. So in this case, for example, slash home, when we create Europe, Africa, Asia, America, Australia. Okay, come here. So in this case, when you see for example, the way I put them, I wrote it. A directory may, if you don't get this part, if English is not your first language, you can say, you can read like this. A directory may have several the other directory, also called subdirectory. Okay? Or a directory may contain several the other directories, also called subdirectory. Okay, we come here. These are the command make. You can make a directory. Move. You can move directory into. Rename. You can rename the directory. Get. You can get rid of directory. But when we create a directory, I'm gonna show you how we create it. We don't just write make. No, I just put like this for you guys to understand. Okay, so directory equal folder. Okay, directory, this one is in a singular, but in a plural form, because I put the s here and here is a change, so directories. So this one is, we use in a plural form. So when we create a directory, we use this command. Okay, so we come here, for example, when we're gonna create a directory, right, we're gonna use this. So make, so mkdir IR Africa. That's how you create a directory. Okay, so when we create Asia, we're gonna use the same thing, this command. Okay, we're gonna use this when we create a directory called Asia. When we create a directory called Europe, we're gonna use this. Okay, so when we create a directory we call this America, we're gonna use this. Okay, when we call the directory called Australia, we're gonna use this. Okay, all right. So the file. So a file is a collection of data or data that is stored on a computer or devices. Okay, it can be a document or many more. The way I break them down for you guys. We come here, we got the file. File, when you look at the file cannot just be a document. No, the file can be image, can be the video, it can be the audio. You know what I mean? For example, let's say you buy the music. Let's say you like Eminem and you have his CD like back in the day, right? And you store that in your computer. That is the audio. Now, the picture, let's say you have a picture of your son, your daughter, your husband, your wife. That's the image. It's also part of the file. Okay? Come here. For example, HTML, this part, extension, CSS, JavaScript, text, all these also is the part of the file when you save them. Okay? So, we come here. So this is what we're gonna do when we create the file. We can use the cat command, touch, and echo, create the small document file. Okay, so that's what I put like this. Creating the small file, we can use cat, touch, echo. Okay, so for example, I put like this. Okay, yeah, that's what I put like this. So when you do the demo, you write same thing like this, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen when we do the demo. Okay, come here. Okay, so let's say we want to write a text. We call this touch Russia text. This one when we create the file. Okay, this one when we create the file. So if you type like this, exactly what I'm doing, you should be good. Okay, you just type exactly what I'm doing. So go landing nazo sala ozano pepele. Let's say that you want to create you type echo, my name is Gilan Pindi, and this, yeah, these are the command. Okay, I just put like this in case you wanna. All right, these one are the command. Okay, right, so this one is okay. In case you don't get it, that's okay. These one are the command too. When we do the demo, you're gonna understand. Okay, if you don't get it for now, that's okay. Come here, same thing. You don't get it, it's okay. Come here, some of these command, when you watch my pre-lab, you're gonna see it. Okay, so for example, you see this one is a command. Okay, this one is a command, this one is option. Okay, so sometimes you're gonna see we have a command, we have option, and we got also argument. Okay, all right, for example, in this case, this one is a command, this one is an argument, is an option. This one, sorry, this one here, all right, is the argument. Okay, I'm here. In case you want to shut your computer down, this is how we do it. Okay, these are the command. come here. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So I know the video is not that long, but I wanna provide you guys, I don't wanna like give you guys a lot of information at once. I don't want that. Video is not mula ite. Alors ngana usuka na ngapona lelo botika malamu nzamba batla. Merci. Bye bye.